An attitude of gratitude will determine the level of altitude you are able to reach in your life and career. An attitude of gratitude means making it a habit to express thankfulness for all the big or small things in your life. जी हाँ, धन्यवाद देने का रवैया बहुत ही उम्दा है और ये आपको जिंदगी में एक नया ऊंचाई में ले जा सकता है. Always be thankful for the small things, to the people around, to Almighty, and to your mother and father. Early in the morning, whenever you get up from your bed, express your thankfulness to Almighty. Speak to God that today is going to be a wonderful day for me. Thank you, God, for showing me the light of the day. And when you are going to slumber in the night, speak to God. Tell Him that thank you for this beautiful day and tomorrow is going to be a superb day for me. I know a child who is always thankful to the people around for even the tiny things. I love this attitude of thankfulness. Dear, you are going to scale great heights in your life and career. Develop it more. I am thankful to your parent for instilling this habit of attitude of gratitude within you. My best wishes are always with you. You must be knowing the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. He is always grateful to his cricket coach, Achrekar sir. Every year, on the birthday of Achrekar sir, he used to visit him personally and give him best wishes. Even APJ Abdul Kalam wrote high words for the teachers who helped him to excel in his life. You can find the interaction that Dr. Kalam had during his school days with his teachers in his autobiography, Wings of Fire. Do you want to know what are the benefits of being thankful? Then must see this video till the end. I am going to tell you what are the benefits of being thankful. मैं प्रणव दासगुप्ता आपको स्वागत करता हूं आपका चैनल स्टे सुपर फिट में. मस्ट लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर and subscribe. Must share this video with your near and dear ones, and in the below comment box must give your comment one takeaway that you do have from watching this video. If you want to know in more detail and want to develop your attitude of gratitude, must mail us at staysuperfit2020@gmail.com. We will mentor you to develop your attitude of gratitude, which will take you to great heights in your life and career. This is the part 1 of the video of attitude of gratitude. Must see the upcoming videos on attitude of gratitude. You should be thankful for what you got in your life. And यदि आप दुखी हो तो आप और दुखी होने का वजह बन रहे हो. सो बी केयरफुल, ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी, ऑलवेज बी थैंकफुल टू ऑलमाइटी, टू योर पेरेंट एंड द पीपल अराउंड फॉर व्हाट यू गॉट इन योर लाइफ. आई मस्ट टेल यू हियर, द स्टूडेंट्स nowadays are not satisfied with the results that they have got. They always compare themselves with others. My dear, journey is yours and path to success is yours. You will have to run your own race. Don't compare yourself with others. Almighty is always blessing you. Take a inventory of yourself. अपने अंदर देखो और लक्ष्य बनाओ और जबरदस्त मेहनत करो. And always be thankful for even the tiny things. And when you are thankful, you can attract more and better. पर यदि आप दुखी हो, आपको क्या रिजल्ट मिला, तो आप अपने खिलाफ खुद साजिश कर रहे हो और दुखी बनने का वजह बना रहे हो। आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, डू यू वांट टू नो what are the benefits of attitude of gratitude? Let us see. Gratitude opens the new door to more relationships. If you want to excel in your life, you will have to attract and draw people to your life who are going to help you to excel. And if you are practicing thankfulness, it is considered to be a good habit, and people will come to you. लोग आएंगे आपके पास और आपको जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए मदद करेंगे। ग्रैटिट्यूड इम्प्रूव्स फिजिकल हेल्थ। शोध में ये पाया गया है कि जो लोग एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस करते हैं वो लोग अपना सेहत का काफ़ी ध्यान रखते हैं। दैट्स वाई द पीपल दोज हु आर हैविंग द एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड are always physically and mentally fit. Gratitude improves psychological health. It has also been found in the research that the people who practice attitude of gratitude are always happy and enjoy their journey of life. They stay away from resentments, frustrations. Gratitude reduces aggression and makes a person empathetic. Whenever you are practicing attitude of gratitude, you do have less or no feeling of taking revenge from others. You will enjoy your journey and always let the people go on their own way. You will always excuse the people if somebody is doing something wrong with you. Grateful people do have a wonderful sleep in the night. It has also been found that those who practice and write gratitude journal before going to bed do have a quality sleep. And never forget, our sleep is also a type of meditation. And the most important benefit of practicing attitude of gratitude is it builds your self-confidence. It has also been found in the research that the people who practice attitude of gratitude do have a very strong level of self-confidence. They never compare themselves with others. They enjoy their own journey and celebrate the success of others. Gratitude increases mental strength. If you are practicing attitude of gratitude, with the passage of time, your mental strength and toughness will increase. If you want to check it, practice attitude of gratitude for 30 days. You will find your mental strength and toughness is at a different level. Gratitude attracts more and better. If you are practicing attitude of gratitude, you are going to attract more and better in your life because it's based on law of attraction. There are ample of opportunities throughout the day for us to express our attitude of gratitude. हमारे ज़िंदगी में हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ अच्छे तो होते ही हैं, उसी के लिए हमें आभार प्रकट करना चाहिए। यदि खुद मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा हुआ, हमने कुछ अच्छा किया, तो वी शुड बी थैंकफुल टू ऑलमाइटी एंड सेल्फ। और जिन्होंने भी हमें मदद किया उन्हें भी बोलना पड़ेगा कि धन्यवाद। ये एक बहुत अच्छा आदत है। ऑलवेज इंस्टेड ऑफ looking at the negative aspects, we must look for the good things, and on a regular basis we should express our thankfulness to them. And habitually we must express thankfulness to Almighty, to the people around, and even to self. It's a matter of everyday habit. Do you want to know how to practice attitude of gratitude and implement it? Let us see. Early in the morning, be thankful to Almighty. Whenever you get up from your bed, your first thought when you get up from your bed should be your thankfulness to Almighty for showing you the light of the day, and declare that today is going to be a superb, wonderful, awesome and beautiful day for you. Every day, express your thankfulness to your mother and father. They have shown you the light of this planet and they are doing everything for your success. Prepare a journal or notebook and name it Attitude Journal. Every day, write 5 things for which you are grateful to Almighty or your mother and father or the people around. We do have hundreds of things that are happening with us. Out of that, pick up the best 5 and every day it should be a new one, and see the difference after practicing it even for 7 days. You can also prepare a attitude jar. Every day write one thing for which you are grateful to Almighty. Write that in a piece of paper, wrap it and put it in that jar with a commitment that you are going to practice it for 365 days. It takes hardly 1 minute and you can do it. Start doing it and within few days you will start getting the result. सक्सेसफुल बनना है तो हम वो सारा चीज करेंगे जो हमें अपना मंजिल पाने में मदद करे, और मंजिल पाने के लिए हमें एकेडमिक्स के अलावा मेंटल, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, स्पिरिचुअल और मॉरल स्ट्रेंथ ये सारा एक्वायर करना पड़ेगा. प्रैक्टिसिंग एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड is one of the easiest and simplest way to foster our mental, emotional, spiritual and moral health. Choice is yours because life is yours, success is yours and responsibility is also yours. Stay blessed, stay thankful and stay super fit.